guys, it's Emily here. So I have an exciting unboxing video, as you can tell by the title. Can't really show you the package because it actually has my address and her address on both of the sides. But I discovered this from this haul page, and this is what it looks like. It's a ghost in a bottle necklace, and this is the Instagram page I discovered it as. Look how cute that is. But yeah, hopefully you guys can see that. And then this is the count who makes them. So yeah, and you can tell on her bio, you can click that. That goes to her Etsy where you can get the necklace at. So if you're interested in getting this is her Instagram. But yeah, so I'm going to open it up, and I'm very excited. There is an option where you could either get like just the ghost in the bottle or get it as like a necklace. I decided just to get it as just the ghost in the bottle because I can just use a chain I have and stuff. So this is what comes. This is her like business card here. And then this is the back. This says her Etsy and Instagram. And sorry that it's dark. It's actually like about 7 right now, close to 8, because I just got off work. And then this is what it looks like in here. Look how cute this is. This is the package. Very cute. It has like a flower design on the packaging, and it's just really cute. So it comes with this. Oh, it says something about it has a little bunny, and it says like boutique. I don't know if you can see, but it's on there. But yeah, and it comes with this. I guess you can attach the bottle necklace to this if you want to. But I probably won't use this, but this is nice that she sent this. But yeah, I'm going to use like a material like this as a necklace because I have just like string, like black kind of string I can use. So this is really cute. This is what it looks like. It's this little tiny box. So yeah, I'm not even too sure on how to open it. I think I just peeled the tape off. I don't want to ruin the box because it's so cute. And my boyfriend's calling me right now. Oops. I'll answer that later. So this is it. Oh my god, it opens like this. Look how cute it is. So it opens like that, and it just has like cotton balls in here. If you guys can see. So that's what it looks like. It opens like that. That's really cute. So let's see. Oh my god, it's so freaking tiny. This is so tiny. I didn't think it was going to be this tiny. I did not think this was going to be this tiny. As you can see, it's in there. This is so tiny. Oh my goodness. So this is what it looks like. I don't even know how to show you guys because like I said, it is so tiny. But this is the bottle necklace. I never saw a bottle necklace that tiny before. And then she sent this clip like I said. So I guess you can just like attach it on. Trying to get it on. It got stuck underneath my fingernails. Oh, it has a little like thing. She has a little thing you can put it through. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, and you could just have it like that. That's actually like really cute. But I'm gonna wear it as a necklace. Like I said, I have something I can attach it to. But look how tiny that is. Oh my god. So I'm gonna show you guys the ghost. I don't know if I can take it out. Oh no, she glued it in. She glued it in. Okay. So I don't know. I'm gonna try to. This is so cute! Oh my goodness, it's so tiny. I wish I could like just take it out because I really want to see what the ghost looks like in my hands, but it is super glued, so I can't take it out, which is like really nice of her doing that because a lot of bottle necklaces is like, you know, loose. But yeah, this is what the ghost looks like. Like I said, I don't know if you guys can see that because it's so tiny. It's so unbelievable tiny. Can you see this? I don't know. It's like the camera wants to focus on me. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'll show you guys a close-up video in the sun tomorrow and show you guys what it actually looks like, since it's really hard to see. But yeah, this is super cute. So here is the tiny ghost inside, and I forgot to say this, but it actually glows in the dark, so it's super cool. And this is what the little ghosts look like. So yeah, it moves around like I said. You can see it moves around a lot, so you know, I kind of wish it was like in place, but it is still like really cute. So yeah, I think it's so adorable. I definitely recommend getting this. I will put in the description like what her Etsy store is and Instagram, so you can check it out and maybe you can get a little ghost. I saw that there is 3 left right now, so she does have some in her Etsy. So yeah, so check that out if you want to, and thank you so much for watching.